What's it say, Graham?
Brown bear, what do you see?
All right.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me.
And it is.
Red bird, what do you see?
Over here.
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Awesome,
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.
And it is. Back over here.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Is that a purple cat?
No, that's a tan cat. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black
Sound it out. S-H.
sheep
Good word.
looking at black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
I see a leaping frog.
Teacher, what do you see?